Let's install some new wheels on my STI. These are them. Factory wheels. We had them refinished. Can change colors when you look at the light. A lighter bronze color, but even the wheels that came with the car, they were all beat right here. All the curbing from the previous owner. So they're all fixed. We had them wrapped in some new Firestone tires. So just keeping factory spec. 245 4018s. We'll get the car jacked up and we'll get these on, get the winter tires off. The good thing about reusing the factory wheels is I can take out the center caps from these and put them in the tires. We'll just get something and punch these out. Oh, I guess we don't need anything. I also want to get rid of the splash guards and mud guards at the same time when we got the tires off. So previous owner put them on. Kind of see they're getting beat up every time we go over a speed bump or something, and we'll just hit them off. Clean these brakes up at the same time. Now that we got the winter wheel off, it's comparison. So winter, summer. Let's get this wheel on. Let's get these stickers pulled off. Gun. We're not going to crank them, and then we'll torque them up. Okay, first one done. The center cap in. I think we're gonna have to change the color of the lug nuts. But overall, I think it's a lot better. Let's get the other ones on. on them all torqued, go for a ride, and then we'll retorque them again. But let me know in the comments if you think we should get new lug nuts. Not sure how the chrome is really sitting with the bronze color.